Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Sapphire Stuff. What is Jack's Magic Sapphire Stuff? Jack's Magic The Sapphire Stuff is a great choice for any pool owner looking to prevent scale, staining, scum lines, and foaming while getting crystal clear water quality. Its powerful 4-in-1 liquid formula combines a clarifier, flocculant, chelating agent, and sequestrant to quickly group together microscopic contaminants into large enough particles to be trapped in the pool filter while being much easier to apply than granular alternatives. Product benefits: removes contaminants that cause stains, cloudy water, and discolorations. Effective 4-in-1 action: clarifier, flocculant, chelator, sequestrant. Compatible with all swimming pool sanitizing systems. Dosage: 1 fluid ounce per 5,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.